The barn owl's heart-shaped face enhances hearing by directing sound waves to its ears. Specialized feathers with comb-like fringes disrupt airflow, enabling silent flight. Barn owls can rotate their heads nearly 270 degrees. This extensive head rotation provides a wide field of vision for spotting prey. The simulation showcases the barn owl's hunting behavior in complete darkness. Barn owls possess the ability to detect and capture prey, such as mice and rats. They also hunt small birds, demonstrating their diverse predatory skills. This hunting behavior highlights the owl's role as a natural predator. Barn owls help maintain balance within the ecosystem. They control rodent populations, preventing overpopulation and subsequent ecological damage. Barn owls inhabit a wide array of environments across the globe. Traditional habitats include barns and natural tree cavities. They also adapt to abandoned buildings and open fields. This adaptability contributes to their widespread distribution. Barn owls demonstrate a remarkable ability to thrive in diverse geographical locations.